Dear ladies and gentlemen, I'm Watson and this is Sir Sherlock.
And we are as usual here to help you in English.
Now, this time we're here to tell you about a strange and dodgy gentleman.
This is Vadim Chikhovich. He's a teacher at Skyan. But
what does he do when he's off? We've set up our watch and...
Неужели маньяк?
Watson, look.
some actually very strange things.
He's drawing. He's typing some text. He's editing some video.
Even after his work, that gentleman keeps thinking of English. Look, Sherlock, at his public page on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook.
He's actually obsessed with teaching. He's made up a lot of funny stories about you, Watson, and me, and many other characters, and made us discuss English grammar and vocabulary.
И он прекрасен, как Бог.
Some time before, he used to create some educational TV programs.
Oh, I see. And his experience really helps him a lot.
Hopefully, our students as well.
Just come and have a look.
Good luck and take care.